Greetings everyone, I am Singh and today I am present here in front of you all to show you a chemistry on the spot activity presentation. Our teacher in charge is Mrs. Shweta Chaudhary ma'am. The topic is different structures of an atom. There are main three types of structure of an atom proposed by different scientists. The three structures of atom are proposed by J.J. Thomson, Ernest Rutherford, and Neil Bohr. First, let's study about J.J. Thomson's model of an atom. J.J. Thomson was the first scientist to propose the structure of an atom. He compared the structure of an atom to the structure of Christmas pudding and the watermelon. According to him, to the complete atom of the circle shape was positively charged, and he compared raisins of the pudding to the electrons, which were negatively charged, and the same with watermelon. Complete watermelon as positively charged and its seeds as electrons, negatively charged. As you can see here in this image, he compared the whole circle to positively charged and the rest raisins to negatively charged. Rutherford's model of an atom. The second person to propose the model of the structure of an atom was Ernest Rutherford. The structure of an atom he proposed corrected all the drawbacks of J.J. Thomson's model except one, that how electrons revolve around the nucleus. This was the structure proposed by J.J. Rutherford. How did he prove his model? He proved his theory of structure of an atom using an alpha scattering experiment. He made some alpha particles, doubly positively charged helium particles. When he did this experiment, most of the particles went straight, while some reflected at the very low angles, and some even around 1 in every 12,000 particles reflected by 180 degree. He chose gold sheet for this experiment as it was the most malleable metal and it can be the thinnest sheet, as you can see in this picture. Results. After his alpha scattering experiment, Ernest Rutherford gave the following structure of the atom. He stated the most of the space inside an atom is empty, as most of the alpha particles went straight without deflecting. As only very few shown deflection, he said that most of the major mass of the atom is present in the center of the atom and occupy very less space. Common question. This question must have arisen in your mind that those alpha particles emitted by Ernest Rutherford on the atom got deflected only by nucleus, which contains protons and electrons. Then why it did not got deflected from electrons? Answer to this question is that, as stated before, alpha particles are the doubly charged positive particles. As we all know that the same charge in magnet repels each other and opposite charges attract each other. In the same way, those positively charged alpha particles were attracted by negatively charged electrons, but as they have very less amount, almost negligible mass, it did not affect those particles. And these alpha particles got deflected from positively charged protons and got deflected. Here are the outcomes of his model. According to Rutherford's model of an atom, most of the mass of an atom is concentrated in the center of the atom. Mass of electron is negligible. Electrons revolve around nucleus in fixed orbits. Rutherford also gave this system name of solar system model of an atom, as electrons revolve around nucleus like the planets revolve around the sun, as you can see in this image. Drawbacks of Rutherford's model. The only drawback of Ernest Rutherford's model of an atom was that he was not able to explain that do electrons possess energy or not. Bohr's model of an atom. The structure of an atom which we are currently reading was proposed by Neil Bohr. His proposed structure was considered the best as it corrected all the drawbacks of other models. He presented his structure of an atom in shells as shown below. Bohr's model of an atom. Bohr showed his structure of atom in energy shells. He named those shells as shell K, L, M, and N, and numbered them as 1, 2, 3, and 4. He said that if anything is moving continuously, so it will accelerate as well and will possess energy, and this is how he corrected Rutherford's model of an atom. This presentation is made by Krrish Singh, and teacher in charge is Mrs. Shweta Chaudhary ma'am. Hope you all liked and understood this presentation. Thank you.